Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and we are on day 24, Christmas Eve, and we are on the last day of the uber fantastic Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar. If you have been playing along with me, I know you've been enjoying this baby because she was just a gift that kept on giving, wasn't she? Produced so many fabulous cards, and I hope Spellbinders brings this back. This was their first time doing an advent calendar, and I would say this has been a runaway hit. So hopefully next year there will be a second anniversary of the advent calendar. If you didn't get the advent calendar and you watched a few videos, because there's some of you had commented you didn't get it, next year, oh yes, get it. Everything here was beyond that price point, and you can use it and incorporate it with your existing die sets that you have and play within the advent calendar. That is just a steal and deal in and of itself, was this advent calendar, okay? Alrighty, crafters. So it's a bittersweet day. Let me clear my voice because I'm going to sing. So on the 24th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see. The last satisfying pull. And see, it doesn't even want to go. It's like I'm tearing everything. Oh, and it's a die set, crafters. It's a awesome, cute little truck. On the outside, there are cut lines. But you see all this detail here? If you wanted to change a bunch of colors, you could just run the die and then make little snips to create a different colorway. I can tell already. And there are cut lines for the window and that back right here. I can tell this is like an embossing line, but you can also cut around those. Think of those like either embossing line or a score line on the die. Cute. And then we get 2 wheels, so you don't have to cut one wheel twice. You can just use the set and make it. There you go. There is a second cut line in here for you to put detail to your tires. Also, here's a little present. So now this present, Merry Christmas and Christmas, but this could also be for happy birthday. This is just a detail for your gift. If you wanted to put a ribbon on it, like I believe so. Yeah, I think so. I think this is for the present. When I'm playing with it, we're going to see exactly how that works. But I believe it's going to be, oh, maybe it's the top of the gift. Hold on. It might be that. And then you put the bow with the line. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I figured it out, crafters. Let's get into my example. Let's get started on this beauty. This is my Christmas Eve last advent calendar day card share. Love. Took me a little while to put it together because I do have a lot going on, but so worth the effort, all because of this adorable little die set, that truck. Love. So let's start with the truck. The pieces that pop out are the windows and the door handle along with the shape of the truck. Then if you want to stylize the truck like I did here, I put little snips along with a different color cardstock. In this case, I was using shades of silver and black foil cardstock. Here are my tires. Then the centers pop out, so I did a matte silver there. This is so cute. And I did 2 layers, so it's red cardstock and then 110-pound black cardstock, and that's what you also see here as the windows. And then I popped it up on this background. The presents, look at these adorable presents. That's from this die set. The second style of bow, I just added that because I just wanted a little bit of variety. I knew I was going to have a stack of presents in the bed of the pickup truck. So with that die I used, which is on sale at Spellbinders during the Christmas sale. If you haven't checked out that Christmas sale, watch my video. I'll link it here. It's a good one. Anybody wants to get you any last minute gifts, just put a few things and say, there, check that out. Or you want the Black Platinum 6. Either one, right? Okay, speaking of the Black Platinum 6, scrapbook.com. For the weekend, you get an extra 10% off using the code Mary. All right, I'm done. But I love a good steals and deals. I can't help it, guys. I can't help it. And I did order some stuff from that Christmas sale, too. And also scrapbook.com. Christmas for myself. Anyway, the bow here is that little die. This is from the Camper Life set. Love this little die set. You get the camper. You get a grounding piece. That's right here. For the snow, you get a cup that you can do warm wishes, etc. Love this one. Have shown you this a few times. It's one of my examples in the Christmas sale. Love her. Camper Life. I did different colors, different styles to give that variety of the presents. Stuck that against the background. Now the background here, this is using one of my favorite dies, Fluted Classics ovals. The whole Fluted Classics line. That's not on sale right now though. It does go on sale from time to time, so put it in your wish list. So normally with Fluted Classic, I'd take out this middle cut line, take out that middle piece, and just have it as a frame and then build on top. This time, I used all three pieces here and created a frame. Now, I could have turned it into a shaker, put some shaker bits and a piece of acetate, but what I wanted was, here's the frame and you guys are looking in, so this is popped up, the edge, and everything else is like recessed in, except for the truck being popped up. So I'm going to show you a closer look. See how it looks? I like this look without having to do a shaker. And of course, it's being held by some yellow tape. Now, I like to leave it in place like this because I can use it again and again. It will just stay there on my magnetic sheet for a long time. That's why Spellbinders gives you all these different cut lines, is to give you options to play. Instead of just making it the full background like I normally have it, I'll have to show you guys examples, I know. Here's an example of Camper Life. This die set, fabulous, just fabulous. Here now is how I normally use the oval. See how here it's one solid piece, here it's a cutout frame. Just by adding that inner third piece right here, cut line, decorative edging, second cut line gives you the frame. Without that second cut line, then you get this look. Love. And I did the frame in white cardstock, have some glitter snow, and everything here that I did was touches of silver. The truck is bringing presents, saying Christmas wishes in the night sky. I was having fun with the 24th. There are no previous Advent days in this card, okay? I was just being inspired by the truck and creating a real big scene and just having fun with what I have from my stash. Fluted Classics ovals for the frame. Background, navy cardstock. Did some paint splattering, white paint and silver metallic paint. Then the tree, I tell you, these standalone holiday sealed by Spellbinders dies. They have the florals too. Those are not on sale, but the Christmas versions are on sale. Here is sealed Christmas tree squiggle. That's here. So Christmas tree, 4 3/4 of an inch tall. All I did was just clip that little part, and then there's a tree. You put this piece and then you put this piece behind it in a different color. And that's how I have the dark green and the lighter green. Ooh, 50% off. Come on. Love. The Seal Holly Sprigs, this is just a by far winner, but I didn't use it here. Here's another idea, actually. You could have done the same oval, then maybe had it out here with that. In here with the truck, I think that doesn't work. This works because that's a scene. But all of these are on sale. Love, love, love. All of the sealed holiday standalone dies. Fabulous. So that's the tree squiggle. So instead of using the ornaments here, I did some glitter drops in silver and put them here on the tree because I was working with that colorway. And I didn't use a star because this is a night sky and it's in the background. I guess the little circles represent snow. It's supposed to be just a tree in the forest with glitter silver balls. I know. I think it works though. I was just having fun. I just kept on going. I stayed super late working on this card. Then now for the sentiment. This is on sale. Great price for this Glimmer hot foil set. Merry Glimmer Sentiments. Totally worth it. Love this set. I have said it over and over and over again. If you have a hard time glimmering and you want to glimmer sentiments, especially for the holidays, which is when we make a ton of cards and then also cut out the sentiments, make a bunch, and it's super easy, this is the die set for you. Love this one. Here I did Christmas wishes. Look how that die goes around that sentiment. Yeah. You don't lose what you glimmered by using the die and then all of a sudden it's lean, it's off. I don't know what the science is behind this, but these dies line up super easy and super clear around these delicate, intricate sentiments. Love that. So I did it in blue hot foil and did Christmas wishes. I had this done months ago, put it in a little baggie. I tell you, I do factory mode. I can't help it. Once I start glimmering, I just like go, okay, glimmer, give me something else. I glimmer again, give me something else. So I had this for a while. I don't glimmer like one thing and then put it down. And then the background. Background is Orange Peel Quilt 3D embossing folder. This is from the new Home Sweet Quilt collection. Love this 3D embossing folder. You guys have seen it a few times. This is now on the emboss side, which is the top here. This is one that you would use a universal plate system. It's a fantastic, elegant 3D embossing folder, and I used it here in black. I tried other colors for the background, but black worked the best for this. Everything else wasn't looking good, but the black, perfect, because the black has the background for the card, but it's recessed. And then here, your eyes go to the main focal point, which is this scene. Love, 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 love. On the edges on the outside, I use Crystal Mix. Actually, it's really Opal Mix, but I'm trying to finish up some of these packs. So I use this part. So the top part of Crystal Mix, if you like only this part, you can buy an Opal pack. That's what's here. They're both the same thing, okay? Love these against dark cardstock. Super, super pretty. It looks like crystal snow. Pretty, 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 pretty. My second option, I did want to show you my second option. I did also run Flurry of Snowflakes. This 3D embossing folder is on sale, half off. Love. When I had put it over here, it worked. I did both panels. I took a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, cut it in half at the 5.5 inch mark. So I had two panels, meaning each panel was 5.5 inch wide, 8.5 inch tall. This is now cut down to 5 by 7. Then I stuck them just in these embossing folders, the full size. I love these oversized embossing folders for this exact reason. I like to pick a spot. Maybe I wanted just that big snowflake and this. So I like to run the whole panel and just see what area speaks to me. And that's how I trim this down. So my two options were this and this. Orange peel and a flurry of snowflakes, okay? And I decided to go with the orange peel. It just worked out better. Oh, I did take a picture of it. Let me show you what it looked like with the flurry of snowflakes. But I'm not throwing this away. Oh no, oh no. I'm keeping this for something else because it's gorgeous. Then on the inside, look at that. Love. I finally took out my stamp set, which is also on sale. When I did the Christmas sale, I pulled out so much product and I didn't put it back. This was just going through my list of products. That's why you see me using them, is because I was like, oh. It was ready to go. This is the handmade gift tags. This is on sale. I have had it for a while. This stamp set coordinates with the assorted tag dies, which is shown here, and this big one, which is create a decorative edge tag die. So both of these tag die sets are also on sale. I'll put links for them. But the main one, this assorted tags, because this assorted tags has glimmer hot foil that works with it. It has these holiday stamps that work with it. Any stamps in these kind of sizes. Because I had the truck and I thought I'd carry it over. This is stamped with some black pigment ink. I didn't heat emboss, but there's a truck. And then this beautiful sentiment, which has that same font as this one. Love that. Sending loads of love this holiday season. Yeah, I was going for it. I used my Mistine here. I didn't want to freehand it, but it's stamped super well. These are high quality photopolymer stamps. Let me show you the font so you can see. See how it's the same font? 2 thumbs up. Yeah, I love that. You can do the glimmer on the outside, continue the thought on the inside with that same font so it doesn't look jarring. And I noticed too, there's also a stitched with holiday cheer. If you have some of the stitching dies, you can use this too. Cute. And then there's also the From Santa. That's for a mini tag. Don't open until December 25th. Love this set. You get a little gingerbread. Cute. On sale. Cute. What do you guys think about this one? Love, love. Let's do a little trip down memory lane real quick. Happy holidays, crafters. I hope the Advent Calendar has been delivering cheer this holiday season. This one is on behalf of Spellbinders. Love from all of us at Spellbinders because they gave us a wonderful Advent calendar box this year filled with so many goodies. I so appreciate it, and it was filled with lots of love and lots of great products. And thank you for continuing to feed our creative spirit in terms of letting us produce beautiful cards and projects, but also get us through those tough times and stressful times with the gift of crafting. 2 thumbs up. And the Advent calendar was definitely made for you, for sure, right? So with Christmas wishes, I want to wish you, your loved ones, a very Merry Christmas. Thank you and thanks for watching my channel. Thank you for taking the time to enjoy these 24 days of crafty goodness, reveals, and shares, and some tutorials along the way. Thanks and thank you. And lastly, cheers to the new year. Wishing you and your loved ones a happy new year. Okay, crafters, so happy holidays. Have a safe and wonderful Christmas with your loved ones. And until the next video,